Alright, what's up everyone? Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, it's probably gonna be a short video, but I'll just explain to keep you guys informed and have documentation on my YouTube about what's gonna happen. So before we start, today we are Wednesday, August 6th. So I've been thinking recently about switching strategies. You may ask why. Well, I'm seeing all of those people trading. First of all, every strategy works, right? Now there's some better ones, some better win rate. It comes down to what do you like, right? There's some people trading support resistance, orb, ICT, break and retest, stuff like that, right? Now I know my strategy works. I mean, I got payout. I got a lot of funded accounts, right? But anyway, so I've seen a lot of people been trading ICT, whether I'm just gonna say ICT in general, right? Whether that's power of three, macros, whatever, right? And I'm seeing they're actually making money. So, and my strategy is cool, but I just don't feel when I trade my strategy, I keep doing some dumb mistakes. Maybe because I'm trying to chase something, all right? I don't know how I can explain it, but I mean, you guys get it, right? So what I will do right now, I'll probably join someone's mentorship because I don't want to start going on YouTube and spending a lot of time again getting information. I'll just join someone's mentorship, I think. Get everything that I need to know and start trading their models, right? So that's what's gonna happen. So as of right now, for the next maybe, I don't know, week or so, I can still do recaps, but then I don't know if I'm not trading my strategy, I'm just doing whatever, right? So give me guys like a week or some just to get the strategy, because I already know like what people do in macro and all that. I just need to know like the confluences, right? Stuff like that. So premium, discount, for example, stuff like that. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen as of right now. So if you guys are trading my strategy, I mean, it still works, but like I said, if everyone's doing, I've seen a lot of people doing their the ICT concept and they're doing great long term, and I keep crashing. Now it's not because of my strategy, probably it's more of this discipline part. And anyway, that's what I'm gonna try out as of right now. So I'll show you guys today recap, I guess. Nothing major. I just lost so 250 and then 125 on YM, right? I won't even bother to recap. I mean, you guys know what I look for. It just didn't play out. And then I looked on US 30 and yeah, got stopped out too. So that's basically what's gonna happen. Give me guys a week or something just to get the concept, the confluences right, because I already know like the basic stuff, right? So for example, macro between 9:45 and 10:15 a.m. On the 1 minute, we look for a 1 minute fair value gap, but then it depends if it swept the liquidity, and then you target, for example, external or internal, stuff like that, right? So I know those terms. I just need to start backtesting this concept, right? So I get more good with it or something. So yeah, that's basically what's gonna happen. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys. So we are today 6. Give me guys a week, maybe maybe the next like Wednesday or Thursday I'll be back. Just don't wanna, I don't wanna do some bullshit, or I can still do recaps. Just so you guys know like because there's no shame, right? I'm full transparent. I'm just still learning, right? Or maybe, yeah, I can just keep on doing my recaps, but then I need at least some understanding. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys when I see you guys.